In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to Google Drive folder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite people directly by email, adjust their permissions, and share a link safely when you need to. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and head to My Jama Drive. If your folder is inside another folder, navigate there, then double-click to open the folder you want to share. You can also select a single file if that's what you prefer, but today we'll focus on a folder so everything inside inherits the same sharing settings. With the folder highlighted, look toward the top or right side for the three-dot More Actions button. Click it, then choose Share. This opens the sharing window, which is where you'll control who gets access and what they can do. Before you add people, it's a good idea to check the sharing settings. Click the gear icon at the top of the window. In this settings panel, turn off any option that limits access in a way you don't want, such as restrictions that prevent invited people from fully using the folder. Adjust these to match your needs, then go back to the main sharing screen. Now add people by typing their Gmail addresses into the field labeled Add People or Groups. As you enter each address, you'll see a role selector to the right. Choose the appropriate role: viewer if they only need to read, commenter if they should leave feedback without editing, or editor if they need full edit rights. If you'd like, type a short message so they know what the folder is for or what action you'd like them to take. When everything looks right, click Send. They'll receive an email invitation and the folder will appear in their drive. If you'd rather share with a broader audience or quickly send a link, you can use link sharing. In the same share window, find the General Access section. If it says restricted, click it and switch to anyone with the link. Then confirm the role for link viewers. Again, viewer, commenter, commissar, or editor, depending on how much control you want to grant. Click Copy Link, share it through your preferred channel, and when you're finished, click Done to close the window. A quick tip: for sensitive content, keep access restricted and invite specific people. Use anyone with the link only when convenience outweighs the risk of broader access, and always choose the least privileged role that still lets people do their work. That's it, your folder is now shared exactly how you want.